Good evening. Welcome to Adventures with Rusty. This is my BMW R9T. It started life as a Scrambler, but now it's a BMW R9T Adventure. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, and we'll take it for a ride. Now, if you look at the front of the motorcycle, you see that it's had a conversion, and it has upside down forks on it now, and a 21-inch wheel that allows it to have much better potential to go off-road. And you can also see that some protection has been added for those situations when the bike does get laid over. If you take a bike off-road, that's going to happen sometimes. Now, one thing after adding these forks are BMW F800GS forks. And after adding those forks, the front of the bike is much taller. So a different shock has been added to the back. And if you can see here, that's a Wilbers shock with rebound and compression, dampening. And hand guards have been added, so in the event that the bike tips over, it won't break a clutch lever. And it also has heated grips, which is really nice on a cold day. Now, one of my other favorite things is, do you see this right here? That is a seat heater. So if on a cold day, I can turn that on, and that makes the seat get just nice and toasty. Let's go ahead and start the bike, and we'll take it for a ride. I need to give credit to R9T ADB for helping on this project. They are the ones that provided the kit, which includes the triple clamp, the extended brake lines, the wheel sensors, and the brake adapter kit. It's really a good starting point. They also provided advice on what would work for shocks and forks, and they were very helpful to answer my questions. It wasn't perfect. The triple clamps are a little bit tight, so it's hard to install the forks without scratching them. And there was also, I think one of the holes or something where the bars mount to the triple clamps, where I was expecting it to be a little different. I think one of the holes didn't match up like I expected, but it still works. And I'm quite happy with how it turned out. And I think for me, it makes the BMW R9T a much more capable bike, and one that I would enjoy taking like on longer adventures, and it gives it much more potential to go off-road. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the review. Stay tuned for more rides, reviews, and adventures. Have a good day.